Alrighty, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to render our final video. So I'm going to click on this, make sure we save it to the desktop so I can find the file. We're going to hit save. I'm going to hit play, and we're going to render this. And while we're rendering, I will keep you entertained as much as I can. I will not sing to you. I will not dance, okay? But I will talk about fun stuff that relates to the course and video specifically, which I absolutely love unconditionally. No, what I want to tell you is great job on creating this project. Great job on following along. And remember, I encourage you to go outside of what I showed you and make your own version of the promo video. I would love to see it, okay? So this is almost done. So once this is done, we're going to go to the next video and we're going to watch the final product, which I'm very excited about. I think it looks great. The lower thirds look great. The animation looks great. Everything is smooth and it's simple, but it adds a little more to it, okay? Now remember, this is an old promo video, so I'm not going to be uploading this anywhere, but this type of formula or template is what I'm going to be using for all my future promo videos. So you're essentially helping me get that figured out. Okay? So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.